Give me the remote. The football match is starting.
No, my love movie is just beginning.
Football is more important than love.
That's why you have no romance.
This is the final match.
This is the final episode, too.
The players are running.
My actors are crying.
Look at that goal.
Look at that kiss.
Goals are better than kisses.
Kisses are better than sweaty men.
They are not sweaty, they are strong.
They look like wet chickens.
Hey, respect football.
Respect my movie first.
I waited all week for this match.
I waited all day for this drama.
Your movie is too slow.
Your football is too noisy.
That noise is excitement.
That noise is headache.
Just 5 minutes.
Just 5 minutes for me, too.
You said 5 minutes yesterday?
You said the same thing last week.
Let's be fair.
Yes, give me the remote.
That is not fair.
That is very fair.
I am the man of the house.
I am the boss of the house.
Who cooked dinner?
Who cleaned the house?
Okay, you win that round.
Of course I win everything.
Please, just one goal.
Please, just one kiss.
The match is exciting.
The love story is touching.
My heart is beating fast.
My heart is melting.
I cannot miss this.
I cannot miss this either.
Let's watch together.
I don't want football.
I don't want crying.
I don't want shouting.
You always win.
Because I am smarter.
Fine, I will turn it off.
Good, give me the remote.
Wait, what is this channel?
Why is there a cartoon?
Who changed it?
Did you press something?
No, I did not.
Maybe the TV is tired of us.
Look, it's Doraemon.
Oh, I like this cat.
He has a magic pocket.
He is so cute.
This is more fun than football.
This is sweeter than my movie.
Just laughing.
Just smiling.
No shouting.
No crying.
Let's watch this together.
Yes, this is perfect.
No more fighting.
No more fighting.
Doraemon saved our marriage.
Doraemon is our hero.
I love this blue cat.
Me too.
Forget football today.
Forget love drama today.
We watch Doraemon forever.
Yes, forever and ever.